So today is Tuesday. I just went to the gym. I finished my workout. I did all the upper body workouts today. Yesterday was a leg day, so yeah. Now I'm going home. I'm gonna shower and then go to my class. Right now it's nearly 2 p.m. It's 1:55. So I'm gonna go shower, get ready, leave at 3, and then go to my class at 4. And yeah, just finish all of that, and then I have to study. I have to study for my psycholinguistics exam on Wednesday, which is after tomorrow, which is tomorrow. Wish me luck. I'm going home now. Hello. So I'm going right now to the class. It's 3:01, so I think I have time. It's fine. The class is at 4. I hope there's no traffic, or there's not much traffic, because it is traffic hour actually right now. Anyway, I wanted to try this. Listen, the phone stand is not really working. It's just there doing its job, but not actually in one place, you know. It keeps moving because I don't know, it keeps falling. Anyway, I'm gonna try this new chocolate protein. It's called Paroline Chocolate Hearts, but it's a protein one. That's what they told me, so let's try it. Okay, so the pieces are not as small as I thought. So this is a heart. It looks nice. Wait, I actually love it. This is so good. It has some nuts inside and probably some peanuts. It's really good. I got it from Rafai. Let's have one more. And then go. So the one piece is 33 calories. Well, that's nice. Now I'm gonna go, so I'll catch up with you guys later. So I'm gonna study psycholinguistics, obviously. I have a quiz tomorrow, and yeah, I'm gonna make myself some tea and study. I'm so tired, but I will study. Wait, let me show you my studying outfit. The comfiest outfit ever. You're not hiding. I can see you. He's getting so excited because he wants to eat with me. Look how he reacts when I get one. He thinks it's for him. No, baby. This is not good for you. It's dried vegetable, but I can't give you this. It has some seasonings, I guess. What the hell? Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Go away. No, no more. No. No more. This is not good for you. My God. Such a baby. He's enjoying the seasonings. He's basically cleaning my finger. Thank you. Can I study now? To be really honest, I am so tired and I just want to go home and relax and read, but I have to write the discussion part of the research. We have a group research and we just had a meeting in the class about it, so I already know I have the discussion part, and I wrote the theoretical background thing. So I know I have to write. I know I have to study. Oh my God, I'm so tired. I had 9:30 class, which is the physics. And then I had the quiz at 11 for the psycholinguistics. It was really easy. It was good. But I got 28 out of 30. And I'm so sad about it. I'm really sad about it. I really want to see my paper. I want to know what did I get wrong, because I thought it was like a full mark. Maybe it was the essay question. I don't know. Anyways, I'm going home now. I'm done. I'm leaving. I just want to relax, and I am considering going to the gym or not, because I think I should go to the gym. I've never skipped, actually. I skipped only one day, and I'm going to the gym for a month now or more. So maybe taking a break today is okay. Maybe staying at home and reading and writing is enough. So I don't want to go hard on myself. I don't want to stress myself more, because I'm already so tired and I'm feeling sleepy. So I'm just gonna take a break today. I don't think I'm gonna go to the gym. I'm just gonna listen to Taylor Swift right now and go home. Hello and good morning. Don't mind my voice, I am tired, and I'm sorry if this vlog is not really, you know what I mean. I'm not talking much in this vlog. It's maybe going all over the place, but I tried to film everything I'm doing through Wednesday, and today I will try more. But I got so tired on Wednesday, which is yesterday. Been just relaxing and reading at night. But before that, I think I had a nap. I studied, but I was so tired. I feel so tired as well right now, but I don't want to make that, you know, get over me and make me just want to stay home or something like that. So I got out of bed kind of late. Like, 11:30, and then I ordered some groceries. I just ordered what I needed. So I ordered those two Activia Mix and Go. Yeah, it's for breakfast. It has dried berries and oats. So I'm thinking of having one before I go to the gym. So I'm gonna have one and I'm gonna put the other one in the fridge. I got a lot of the flavored yogurt because I love flavored yogurt, and it's a good breakfast and a good dinner. I ordered this, which is the 8 pieces. So I'm gonna keep this in the fridge. I got a eye makeup remover because I really need an eye makeup remover, and the Nivea one is really good. It does not hurt my eye at all. Also, I got those cotton pads for my face to use for removing my makeup. And lastly, I got these strawberry bites with chocolate. These are good. This is a very good snack for me, so yeah. So right now, I'm gonna have this yogurt, and then I'm gonna go to the gym. Like in 10 minutes. I don't think this is gonna take me a lot of time to eat. Nice. My bird is screaming. He really wants to get out of the cage, but last night I kept him out of the cage and he was going all over the place and flying everywhere and being so too much while I'm here just trying to chill and read. But yeah, he's so cute. I love keeping him next to me, but when he's flying a lot, I'm like, please go back to your cage. But then he did. He went back to the cage by himself. I didn't force him. And then I closed the cage this morning. And now he wants to get out. And he has so much energy. I just gave him food, so he has so much energy right now. Like this. I'm gonna mix it now. So on Monday, I got something. A book that I pre-ordered, and I'm actually so happy about it. It's the book Fearless. It's the third and last book of Powerless. Powerless is a fantasy book. I'm gonna talk about it in a video. I think I'm gonna make a video about all the books that I've read, so I'm gonna show you guys the book. On Monday I got it. I filmed a video about it, but I didn't really like the video. I think I'm gonna show you guys the book after I get back from the gym or after I get back from my 4 p.m. class. And my class is at 4, so I'm gonna go get my matcha and then I'm gonna be heading to my class. Hello. So I'm done with the class. I got my matcha. It's about to finish. Anyway, I'm done with the class. I'm going home now. And it's a family gathering, so my sisters are visiting with my nieces and my one nephew. So we're gonna have so much fun. I'm gonna take you guys with me, so stay tuned. يعني حيل استاتيك صراحة. حيل واو. اوكي. Okay, so it's Friday morning and I thought of ending the vlog, but I promised you guys to show you the last book of this series. I think it is the last book. It's Fearless and it's very beautiful. Here's Fearless, guys. But wait, it gets better. Let me show you. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. I would still have the same reaction of me freaking out. It's so beautiful, but wait. Of course this, but wait. Look at how beautiful this is. It's so pretty. I mean, it's baby pink, so of course it is beautiful. And also the map is in pink. Guys, look at this. It's so pretty. I'm so excited to read it. Those patterns, I miss those flowers so much. Oh my god, I was reading Reckless last year in Turkey. The map is so interesting now, like so many new stuff, but it looks amazing. So yeah, I can't wait to read it, but let me show you guys. Oh my god, this is so pretty. It reminds me of the Light Lark special edition that I have to show you guys in another video. So let me show you the picture, guys. Oh my god, I love how pink it is. Look, this is Kai and Payden. This is so beautiful. I love everything about it. And I can't wait to read it. I really can't wait to read it. I read Powerless a very long time ago, annotating too much, way too much. This is Powerless, guys. This is the bookmark I was using. And this is where Payden, Kai, their interactions and beautiful places. I mark beautiful places and how they're described because I love that so much. I think I did the same to Reckless. It's so pretty. I love it. So yeah, now I have Fearless. It's the only hardcover one, but that's fine. And I'm so happy about it. They're so pretty. So yeah, this is the series of Powerless. And I think that's it for this vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.